Good on you, fatty. Bang. Ooh, this could be two. This could be a double. Oh my God. Oh, here's one right there. There's three of them. Welcome back, guys, to another Fish Tucker Man. I want to try and make it worthwhile to get a feed and do my usual cook up at the end. I've got James here, he's a whiting specialist. James, welcome back to the show, mate.
Yeah, nice to be here.
Our 10 species is just good old bread and butter species, whiting, calamari. There's not much wind happening, which can play against us because a bit of drift is good. You cover a lot of ground. When you're sitting in the one spot, you need to get that engine running and try and find the fish. It's like first fish. Oh yeah, flathead. Gee, it's so clear down there, isn't it? Ooh. Yeah, he's 32. It's your call, your fish.
No, let him go.
We'll let him go? All right. Go on, you flatty. So this is the bait of choice. It is calamari or squid legs. It's a simple paternoster rig. Long shank hooks. What I might do is put a smaller sinker and probably cast it out and slowly retrieve it in. Oh, looks like your mate again.
Oh, another flathead. The same one.
Probably the same one. Oh, what a double. Oh, one small whiting and the flathead. I reckon we'll move because it's when the flathead are there, they're not going anywhere. Yeah, well, James got a good one. That's a good one. Yeah, I got the same one here. Look at that. Woo!
That's my best one today.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
So, the same here.
Happy with that,
Yeah. So we're getting the feed. It's a really good size, and you can feel the difference when they bite. They actually run a bit. Oh, yeah, it's a good one. Beauty, in the money. Filleting size, isn't it? Hi, buddy. Oh, well done. The mother load. Woo! Oh, well done, mate.
That's good.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Now, James just caught a stonk of a whiting. Let's see if I can reposition it. No. It's the challenge. So what I'm doing here, as we're going over this bank, then it goes into the drop off. That's where the fish might be on. Here we go. Bit of a tug here. What have we got here? Whiting. Yeah. That's in 11.6, so there could be on the edge of the bank. Oh, bang, bang. Oh, this could be two. This could be a double. Gotta be quick. Oh, he's a oney.
Oh, that's a ripper.
Woo! It's a kilo size bloody whiting.
Where'd that one come from?
Yeah. Better mark this spot. Mark. So we're on a gradual decline, as in depth wise.
Yeah.
Oh. Better put them into the bucket. Ooh. Double curry, that's a good size. We hit the honey hole. What I tell you, James, we'll slowly find them.
Yeah.
Think he was going to be in the deeper water. They're in the slightly less deep. And bada bing. Bada bing. Yep. Whoop. Oh. Maybe that's my sinker. No. Yeah. Whoop. Whoop. Oh. Nice. Got him. Oh, look at that one. Woo! Oh.
These are way bigger than what we were getting earlier.
Big time. And there's that wind picked up too. We're moving a bit more faster. Oh, here we go. Oh, you got to be quick. You got to strike. Because I'll just rip that bait off that hook. Oh, and I'll be looking up here. Oh, this has got to be 2 here. It's running here. No, that's 1 butterfish. Oh, God. Got a bit of curry. Maybe James got the redemption. Oh, he's got the redemption fish. Woo! Oh, it's a pearler. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, this is the butterfish. This can't be a whiting. Oh my God. It's whiting on today, maybe. There we go. Oh, I should have. You got one? Beautiful. Oh, mate. So they are just in the one area, aren't they? Come on, is this a double? No. It's a one-ski. No, it's a small one. From the corner of my eye, I saw this just take off. Nice, decent weight. Might need the landing net. James on the left side. Don't want to take any chances. And that's what we're on about. Bit of fish tucker. Just on this thing. Beautiful. Lovely. Just put this guy out of his misery. One little tap and he turns white. And one more and he's done. Beautiful. Alrighty, beer o'clock. Cheers, James. Good fishing, mate.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers, mate. Oh, I might be snagged. Yeah. Get in. So, guys, I just caught this, and that is a type of whiting. Now, I've seen it in this book that I'm actually in, and look at that. I don't know the name of it.
Whiting shaped, I guess.
Yeah, very whiting-ish. Check out that colour on that. Yeah, and that's worthy of a picture. I don't know if it's a rare fish. I won't keep him. It's too small. I mean, even if he's like part of the King George whiting thing. Beautiful fish. So I'll let this guy go.
Yeah, amazing.
Yeah, big, fine specimen calamari. And he's well hooked. Let's hope ready. Yeah, nice. And he's full of water. Is he going to squirt? No, he's not. Strange. There you go. Love it. Whoa, now he squirts the bastard. Oh, that's a calamari. Thank you. Oh. Just saw me rod going ballistic. Oh, and he's just on the prong. I think I see another one. Oh, here's one right there. There's 3 of them. Calamari mayhem. Let's get into it. One, and he just blew up all over the boat. Let's see if we can get one over here. 2 of them. Bang, bang, bang. Thanks. Honey hole squid fishing. Good stuff. Oh, this one here. Look at that net. Finally chance here, right here. Just in case, because it's just, oh yeah. And his other mate is there too. Put that one there and woohoo! It's going off. Absolutely going off. That's the way I like it. His other mate was around there. Maybe he's learnt. Oh, and this one's got a bit of weight. Oh, big one. Woo! We're on. It's not pulsating. Oh, my luck, it's probably a big blob of weed. Or is it cuttlefish? Oh, he's a cuttlefish. I haven't caught cuttlefish for a while. Eureka. And he's definitely going to dirty the boat. See, I've still got the other one there. He's angry, you're all red. He's fired up. Woo! That's definitely going to complement the whiting diet. And the cuttlefish. You beauty. How about that, mate?
Pretty good.
Pretty good, all right. Hectic. Oh, yes. Yep. Right, yeah, so I'm always working that jig, bring it to life, and then eventually the strike comes along. What I'll do if I was you, Jums, I'll just reel it up really quickly. Okay, stop, and then drop it, drop it. Righto, so we're squid fishing in tandem. Oh, got a goatfish. It's an albino goatfish. Another small squid. Tiny. 8 fine specimens of, well, 7 squid, 1 cuttlefish. And we got a really good bag of these sand whitings. Good size, really good size. And we've definitely made a difference on the budget. We'll split the loot up between me and James. That'll keep you going for a while.
Yeah, they'll keep me going, yeah.
You don't have to worry about doing overtime.
Plenty fish on the plate.
Good stuff. All right, we'll see you home for the cook-up. Look at all this seafood. I did forage these on the way back to the boat ramp. I didn't show you, but I will do it probably in the next few episodes. It's a beautiful whiting and the red mullet. I'm going to be cooking up these very simple. So I've got a Pyrex bacon dish with baking paper on the bottom there. Don't need to, but I like to have it like that, so saves me from cleaning up too much. A little bit of oil. Just whacking this fish. And the red mullet. Heaps of salt, believe it or not. Comes from the ocean, but you still need salt for the flavour. Parsley. Parsley just goes really well for seafood. You can sprinkle some fennel seeds, I actually don't mind that, but this dish will make it nice and neutral. And some garlic, I just put a bit of the cavity, bit around the place, just gives it extra flavour. And just a bit of black pepper. Again, that's subjective. Put like that there. And this guy around the other way around. A bit more oil. Gives it a nice crispy skin. And that will go in the oven, I reckon about 10-15 minutes at 150, nice and low. Do that, then we'll get stuck in the mussels. It's pretty red, it's not windy. Now the sun's going down, it's nice and cool. Let's get the cooker heated up. A little bit of oil to start off with. Got a garlic clove as well as a chilli. Mussels can go straight in. If they're fresh enough, they're still closed. You might get a few that have already opened up because I've been cleaning them up, but you want them closed so they can release all the juices that they strain that and probably make a little sauce. And that's it. Put the lid on. 5 minutes, they'll be done. Shake. So, see all that juice in the bottom? That's what we want. And it's starting to open up. Not quite ready. Oh, the aroma is just magnificent. Yeah, that's great. That is just great. And these are done. Mussels al dente, and I want to grab one. Whew. Let's get rid of the crap in the bottom here. There you go. Oh yeah, beautiful. You don't need to add salt because all that is salt water. They are fantastic. Throwing some butter into another dish. Got some plain flour. Just want to measure my hand first because I end up throwing too much in. There you go. A wooden spoon, just give it a good turn. And then start adding in the sauce, the juice. Put it all in. And a few mussels going in as well, that's alright. Let's see. We'll bobble away. Black pepper, I had to actually add 2 or 3 teaspoons of sugar in it just to neutralise the salt. It tastes a lot better now. A bit of cream would be good, but I'm using butter instead. Mussels, I'm just going to pour in a bit of the sauce all over the place. Righto, reckon these guys are ready. Yeah, they look pretty good. For the taste test, I've got to grab the red mullet. There we go. Definitely cooked, it's coming off the bone pretty good. And the trick I was telling you about for baked fish, once it's cooked, you can visually just take the fillet off. There's a few bones here on the side, a few bones on the top. And just scoop it away from the fillet, from the backbone. There you go. Then with the tail, pull that up. There you go. That's all bones. And that's all beautiful flesh right here. A few bones around on the rib cage, but we'll fix it up. So we've got the red mullet here. I'm just going to grab in a few of these mussels with the sauce and just pour it all over the place. There we go, just pour it like that. Let's give it a taste. Mussel sauce and mussels. Don appetit. A bit of an angle, sorry about that. Really nice. That mussel flavour coming out of it. A little bit salty, but livable. A few bones. These mussels. Oh, yeah, that sauce. It's just fantastic. Oh, I'll love it in heaven. Anyway, you know what to do. Give us a like and a comment. Sorry about the angle. See you next time. Stay easy.
Fish, tucker, man.
Yummo.
Fish, tucker, the fish, tucker, man.